Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? As you know very well, we was discussing about chapter 3 human health, class 4 subject science. Today our topic is from page 48. Topic is communicable disease. The disease that can spread from a sick person to a healthy person are called communicable disease. First of all, you have to learn that what is mean by communicable. The communicable mean transferable and the disease that can transfer from one person to another. And disease is an abnormal health condition, or we can say that illness or bad condition. Communicable disease are those type of disease that can spread, that can transfer from a sick person, from a ill person to a healthy person. These type of disease are called communicable disease. These diseases are caused by microorganisms. In this line, they said that these all disease or these all illness are produced by some bacteria, some germs, like small organisms, small living things, including viruses, bacteria. These diseases firstly introduced into our body by some virus, by some bacteria, which get into the body, and they are entered into the body through the mouth, through our mouth and nose, or sometimes through cuts and wounds. Cuts and wounds mean when you have a cut in your body and some bacteria or viruses enters into your body through this cut and multiply here and increase their strength. So we can say that these microorganisms entered into your body through these wounds or through these cuts, and they multiply themselves, so they increase their amount and produce a disease which is transferable, and this is transferred from one person to another. Like you know very well, in 2019 we compete the big virus like the COVID-19, and it is also a communicable disease. It transferred from one person to another. Why we call COVID is a communicable disease? Because it spread from infected person to healthy person. It infect the healthy person. Once inside, one time if they multiply very quickly. Once inside mean one, if they enter into your body, they multiply very quickly, very fastly, and make a person feel ill. When these viruses or bacteria entered into your body, they multiply there and make a healthy person ill. These organisms are spread, are transferred and passed on from one infected person to another. These organisms firstly entered into your body, then they multiply their strength here, and then they passed from infected person to another person and make them ill. These all disease like microorganisms are tiny living organisms that cannot be seen with the naked eye, and you know that many diseases like cholera, tuberculosis, conjunctivitis, pneumonia, malaria, COVID-19, measles, these all are communicable disease because they spread from one person to another by when you use towels or when you use that type of things which is used by infected person. Then all these disease entered into your body, infect your body. For example, when an infected person use a towel and you again use this towel, then this disease entered into your body from infected person. When you eat the food and when you share your things, this disease also entered into your body. These disease also entered through the body by water, by your sharing food, by sharing your things, and by sharing your all daily basis things through air. These all are communicable disease, and they spread from infected person to another very quickly.